Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to create this soft glam look. If you'd like to learn how to achieve this look, please keep watching.
She independent and she on a mission. Ay. Been through some shit but now it's better living. Ay. I know that she put in some time. You remind me of.
Okay, so we're starting out with the brows first. First we're going to take the Morphe brow pencil in the shade Guava. When I'm filling in the brows, I usually always start with the top. First I outline the top, then the bottom, and then fill it in. Now we're going to repeat the same process on the other brow, outlining the top, the bottom, and then fill them in. And I also like to use the brow pencil to mimic hair-like strokes, so just do really soft strokes inside the brow. To clean up the brows, I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige and Warm Beige. Now I'm taking a fluffy, dense brush to blend out the concealer underneath the brows. Always take your time when cleaning up the brows because you don't want to go too fast. I always work in sections. I start in the middle, go towards the end, and then the front. Never try to do the brow in one swipe. I always work in sections. Now I'm just going in with a face moisturizer that I found at my local Target. Now I'm taking the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer to prime the face. The foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I usually always apply the foundation with a flat brush, then blend it out with a more fluffier brush. The brush that I'm using to blend out the foundation is the Real Technique Instapop Face Brush. Now taking the same Too Faced Born This Way concealer shades that I used to clean up the brows, I'm going to use it to conceal underneath the eyes, on top of the lip, on the chin, the forehead, and down the bridge of the nose. To contour, I'm taking the black Opal Hazelnut foundation stick. Now it's time to blend out the concealer. First I'm going to start by blending out the edges of the concealer that's underneath the eyes without touching the center and directly underneath the eye. Now taking the Real Techniques Instapop cheek brush, we're going to use it to blend out where we place the foundation stick. Now we're back at the under eye. We're just going to blend out the places that we didn't blend before we set it into place with setting powder. The setting powder that I'm using is Sacha Buttercup and the Nye Banana Powder mixed together to set underneath the eye, on the chin, on top of the lip, down the bridge of the nose, and forehead. I'm now just blending out the concealer I placed on the lids to prep the eyes for eyeshadow. Taking the black Radiance contour palette in the shade light to medium, I'm using it to set the contour stick that we placed on the face. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm taking the Makeup by Mario palette using the last matte shade on the second row. To blend out the eyeshadow, I'm just moving in circular motions back and forth to get a seamless blend, and I just build up the shadow as I go to get the look that I'm looking for. Here you can see the exact shadow I was tapping into. I was tapping into the last two on the second row. This is not a Madam Glow foundation powder that I'm using to wipe away all of the setting powder that we applied earlier to the face. For highlighter, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Gold. The loose pigment that I'm not applying is the J. LaRue Cosmetics pigment in the shade White Gold. To line the lips, I went in with the matte cork lip liner, and my phone stopped recording again when I was doing the lips, but I just went in with a matte nude liquid lipstick and topped it off with a gloss. If you like this look, please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.